I'm Lakeisha Morris Moreau, founder of Bell Tower Consulting Group. We are a boutique agency that provides grant writing and beyond to units of local government, institutions of higher learning, and nonprofit community-based organizations. Since 2009, our team of talented grant professionals have guided clients through the entire grant life cycle, from planning your funding strategy to creating competitive grant applications to supporting you in managing that grant award. So why choose Bell Tower? First, we have secured over $61 million and counting in funding for our clients. This demonstrates the wealth of knowledge and experience that we bring to the table. More importantly, we aim to relieve some of the overwhelm that comes with operating your daily business while also planning to meet future needs. Let Bell Tower focus on meeting grant deadlines while you and your team remain mission focused and committed to the daily work that needs to be done. Finally, we are cost effective. Our clients see a high return on investment and save money on costs associated with hiring and training a less experienced employee. Now, how can Bell Tower help you? Subscribe to our monthly newsletter and receive specially curated grant opportunities and trends in the grant space. Or contact me and let's get started.